Air handling units are crucial installations for creating an optimal climate in buildings. These installations provide the air we breathe and control the temperature and humidity in the places we live and work. It is clear that these lungs of a building must be kept in optimal condition. This will result in an optimal indoor climate, controlled energy consumption, and a long lifetime of this expensive equipment. With the huge volumes of outside air which pass an average air supply installation, comes the threat of equipment degradation. While installations might look that they are in good condition from the outside, inside severe problems can be found. Corrosion can be found in almost every air handling unit due to the aggressive pollutants in outside air that are even able to pass through high-quality filters. A thorough inspection will show the most critical points in your fresh air supply system. Valve registers corrode due to exposure to outside air and polluted exhaust air. Filter section floors and filter frames suffer from severe corrosion. Together with humidity, the pollution in filter materials creates a corrosive environment in these filter sections. Damaged insulation lowers unit efficiency and may create places for bacteria to harbour and reproduce. Plating and construction parts with corrosion increase the risk of polluting the airstream with microorganisms, dust and corrosion residues. Fan blades and housings will pollute and corrode rapidly. Even though filters are installed, pollution will accumulate. This results in reduced capacity and increased noise. Humidifying sections, heat recovery wheels, cooling coils and droplet catchers are all polluting rapidly due to the humidity hotspots for microbiological growth. Blygold specializes in air handling unit refurbishment to offer clients an add-on to their standard maintenance program for climate installations. Detailed working procedures have been developed to cope with all possible conditions. Per section, different measures are taken to bring equipment back into pristine condition and nominal performance. Because every air handler is different in setup, condition, location and requirements, Blygold applies tailor-made solutions for every project. Thorough cleaning and disinfection procedures are applied to remove persistent residues that are present even after standard maintenance. Specially developed coatings are used to treat corroded parts, resulting in smooth and seamless surfaces for the fresh air to pass through. Damaged insulation and other deteriorated or outdated parts are replaced to make sure the unit is set for years of service. Blygold working methods and project planning minimize nuisance while applying its services to climate installations. A total refurbishment is a cheaper, easier and faster option than replacement of complex air supply installations. A Blygold refurbishment will revitalize your equipment. After this, a standard maintenance regimen is enough to keep the unit running in optimal condition with guaranteed fresh air supply for many years.
Blygold, protecting more than you think, for product, people, and environment.